If there is a silver lining in the Obama-Clinton foreign policy debacle, it is that now we know what a world without America would start to look like. Far more dangerous and beholden to terrorists and criminal regimes. And in the face of American strength and resolve, Islamism will join other discredited totalitarian philosophies such as socialism and communism on the ash heap of history.
I think he's got some excellent points. I feel at ease with him being our commander-in-chief. What we've got now, he's not a commander-in-chief, he's a fraud, and he's destroying this country.
Starting next year, our sailors won't be on their knees with their hands on their heads. Instead, they will be standing on the decks of the mightiest ships the world has ever known with their heads held high, confident that the great country that they volunteered to serve has their back.